Hello guys, I want to show you how to import Parkour system version 2.11. First, you have to create a project, and this is the third person template project. First of all, you have to create new folder for plugins if you don't have. If you have, you don't have to create new one. After that, open the Parkour folder and copy the this is not copying. Copy the Parkour folder inside this plugins folder. And after that, open the project. When open the project, click the update button and go to plugins folder. Check motion warping Parkour system. Also check motion warping plugins, and we will restart. But first, we have to do something. Go project settings, gameplay tags, and check this one. This is the gameplay tag for Parkour. If you don't see this one, probably you have to open this settings, show plugin content. Otherwise, you can't see here. So I'll let this one. After that, you can restart the project. After the opening project, we can add Parkour component inside the third person character. So first we have to add motion warping component, add Parkour component, and I want to change my mesh with many. We can use queen, doesn't matter actually, but we have to change anim class for Parkour. This one is the expanded version for ABP Mini. I add some nodes here. Also, I add interface for Parkour. You can check out. Also, I add two IK layer. This one and this one. This is here inside the anim graph. Also, I create climb state, slide state, and ladder state to use Parkour state. I changed the ABP Parkour U5. For now, we have to add movement input from Parkour component. If you have different movement system, you have to integrate, or you can use your system when you are not doing Parkour. But if you are doing Parkour, you have to use this one. This one is for left and right. This one is for forward and backward. Also, we have to add one function here from Parkour component. So that is enough for movement. And we can change jump function here we don't need this two of them. We have to call Parkour action from Parkour component. So I want to define new key, X keyboard. This one for sliding. Parkour slide. Other one is for Parkour drop, CK. This one. So after those, if you want to use multiplayer, you have to open replicate settings. We will test later. Also, we are using mini, and we have to change Parkour action variable data table. This is for game animation sample project. We have to change for this one. This features for limited the parkour. If you don't want to parkour everywhere, you have to use this one. Actually, I recommended this one. I updated new, because some complex collision might cause getting problem. Uh, you can't calculate every possibility. So if you want to use getting no issues, you can use this limited parkour features. For now, we set up everything, and I will try. There is one problem here. This one. This has to be trigger. Sorry, my bad. We can move, but for now we can't parkour because we activate the limited parkour. For now we can climb everywhere, or we can parkour everywhere, but we don't want to. So we want to use limited parkour. So to use that, we have to add shapes, cube, cylinder, or something you can use. This, this has to be has tag as parkour. I will set up here, but has to put a little bit out from the wall to hit this object. So first I will change the tag here as a parkour. That's enough to parkour with this object. Now you can check out my parkour map from plugin. You will understand what is that. Every yellow object for parkour, you can't climb, or you can parkour with. If you don't have this object, every object has parkour tag. So if I what is that? I'm getting error. This for game animation sample. If you don't have game animation sample, you don't have to use this one, so you can go like that. So if you have tag, you can parkour. If you don't have, you can't. You can see that. Also, you can do that like that. But also you don't have to see this object. You can change material with invisible, so you can parkour like that. This 4 is limited for limited parkour. You don't have to use these features, but if you are if you have complex level and you don't want to climb everywhere, you can use that. Also, these features prevent predict jump problems. So uh, that is that's it. Um, See you next time. Bye bye.